Summertime looks good out there. Got a taste of it yesterday, and you tell me that we're going to get another taste of it and before July.
It's one of my favorite things I like to say. We're Cuyahoga dreaming.
There you go.
Forget California.
There you go.
We're Cuyahoga dreaming.
That's right.
Some of our dreams are a little more far-fetched, but you know what we say here. We see the possible.
That's right.
Wait till you see the possible for next week, because things are getting better. But first, we've got to deal with this. Light rain showers. At times, it has just been spitting rain, sprinkles, just enough to really wet the windshield. Other times, we've actually had decent rain showers. That's here in Cleveland. Meanwhile, farther south in Akron, they have dealt with rain all day. Canton, same story, down into Dover, over to Worcester as well. And for the most part, over the next 24 hours or so, this slug of moisture that's sitting over the area will continue to swirl northward. We are on the northern periphery of a storm system that's sitting just off to the south of us, and that will begin slinging this moisture back to the west. So you can kind of see how it breaks up a little bit as it gets toward the Cleveland area. This is why the Indians are going to go ahead and play. Remember, there's a lot that's taken into context when they make a call on postponing a game. It costs a lot of money to postpone the games, especially when it's like a National League team like the Cubs and they only come here once. So game on for them. They'll have the sprinkles and light showers passing, but they should be able to play through everything. And then the heavier rain showers off to the south should finally back off a little bit as well. Now, as far as the wind direction, it's all coming at us from the southeast right now. That is because our storm system is sitting down here over Kentucky. You can see this swirl, and overall, this whole thing is going to move out to the northeast. The big key here is that, number one, that continues just to sling this moisture northward, but the other part is that it will start to bring in a cold front on the backside. So it's literally going to drag this front south. That will keep rain into the afternoon tomorrow, but more importantly, it will drag cooler air in as well. And the chilly air is just sitting north of Lake Superior, and it will be coming south. So we have the rain for now. It will be more scattered sprinkles, light rain showers on and off, just about anywhere across the area through the rest of the evening. And then by morning, you can kind of see how things begin to shift. Instead of coming at us from the south, it's going to come at us from the northwest. The temperatures will be cooling as well. We're going to start the day tomorrow at about 50 degrees or so with some scattered rain showers in the forecast. And then as the day goes on, we do get drier air in here. We'll see some sun peaks, but temperatures close to the lakeshore will remain in the 40s, and areas farther south will probably peak right at 50 degrees or so, and then temperatures slide. But look where things are going. Mostly sunny and 57 on Thursday. That's going to be a nice day for us. Up to 60 on Friday with some rain chances sneaking in toward evening. Clouds and sun on Saturday, 55, and then we get a nice jump. Upper 50s for Cleveland, 60s farther south. I think we're going to have a nice healthy lake breeze on Sunday. Then 75 on Monday, and I got to tell you, my hand was shaking when I wrote 80 on my paper, because the first time you go 80, it's like you don't want to take that back. So it's a little bit of a gamble there. It's a little warm, and this chicken scratching on the end of the paper, but 80 is definitely possible. And I told you, we're seeing
She's seeing it.
You did. Cuyahoga dreaming. Like it.
I do too.
Thank you, Betsy.